Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Mondays. I had to get this emergency update out to you guys with a candle low of 47,100. We came down to test the 50-week moving average today, and this has been the most important support level for Bitcoin that held us at the $29,000 level. We never broke down below this level. First and foremost, 47,100, which we already tested, is the 50-week moving average. That is going to be the first level of short-term support that we want to maintain, because at this point, we've yet to get one candle to test above 49,700, which is our range resistance that we need to get above to assume that this could be the potential worst for this short-term downside. And at this point, if we start to see any candles come below this 50-week moving average, we also have this 200-day moving average at 46,400 that could act as short-term support. But when we start to go below this range, the concern that I have is because we already came down to test 44,800 and 41,950, I've talked about this in the past, when you see these wicks clear the order books in these ranges, when price action starts to come back into that area, it starts to slice through, and so 38,000 could potentially come on the table if we see price action get below this 200-day moving average at 46,400, because that also puts us below this 50-week moving average at any point in time. All the bulls have to do at this point is get above 49,700 to take this scenario off the table, and we could potentially talk about a short-term bottom here. The S&P 500 as we open up the week, because a lot of people have been talking about traditional markets and the effect it's having on the cryptocurrency market. For those that have been on the Snipers channel, you know this is a four-dimensional channel. Not only do we take advantage of the cryptocurrency market on the way up, we've been taking some short positions here on our Discord. We have the #1 cryptocurrency trade signals in the world, and we're making money on the way down. And we also cover traditional markets because they have a huge effect on the cryptocurrency market when there's correlations. And notice here how over the last 4 days, we've seen the S&P 500 test this 50-day moving average. And at this point, if we can at least get above this monthly open at 45.87 on the E-mini futures contract, getting above here, we could start to see a relief rally, not just in the traditional markets, but also in the cryptocurrency market. So that's a confirmation that I'm also watching right now. And then the total cryptocurrency market cap has its full weekly candle below its 20-week moving average. We want to see this get above the 20-week moving average to assume we're still in a bullish trend here. And it's no coincidence it's showing confluence with the $2.259 trillion level. We're currently sitting at $2.204 trillion. We're not too far away from getting that support level back in the books, but so far it is acting as a resistance level. And so we want to monitor this because our downside target, if we stay below 2.259 trillion, is going to be 1.78 trillion, where we have the 50-week moving average for the total market cap. And a lot of this is because the Ethereum price has been able to maintain itself above 4,000 US dollars, and that is a direct effect of what's happening to the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. And so if we see a little bit of a cool off here, I wouldn't be surprised for us to test the monthly open at 81,000 Satoshis. But if we get above 86,000 Satoshis, that's going to be a huge bullish breakout confirmation for Ethereum to continue potentially into new all-time highs in its US dollar pairing. So let's continue to monitor 86,000 Satoshis. And then Bitcoin dominance did take a little bit of a push to the upside today, and you can see the altcoins outside of Ethereum are still showing weakness. So Ethereum is one of the only altcoins right now showing strength. That's something that's on the table. And then the gold spot price has opened up at 1778. One thing I noticed when updating our previous weekly opens today is that we saw a huge dip in gold back to this neutral level. And so that's a very good sentiment indicator that institutions are not necessarily fearful right now. And the gold to Bitcoin chart is actually above its 20-week moving average, which is not a good thing for Bitcoin, but gold isn't seeing strength. So if we get below this 20-week moving average again, that would be huge. We could invalidate this double bottom, but so far we're monitoring this to see if this is a full confirmation of a potential reversal here to double bottom here in the gold to Bitcoin chart, because that will indicate that there's a lot less fuel in Bitcoin's price right now to move to the upside. But if we get back below this 20-week moving average, that could change the whole storyline and the dynamics of the market. So we could say that price action below 46,400 validates that there's weakness. Price action above 49,700 validates that this could potentially be a bottom. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I certainly appreciate each and every one of you snipers in our community and tuned into our channel. Let's smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Let's hit 200 likes on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Snipers.